God damn it, Chief. What did you bring home this time?
She looked nice.
The flood. It's
I didn't know she
all
had
over
some
the city.
infection.
How do we contain it?
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine core. We either destroy
Okay, the
city
skull on this
or
one
risk losing the
is
entire
on one.
planet.
Is it this rooftop here?
The
It's on
guy's
one.
jumping. No, the
Make
guy
your way to
jumps
the crash
across and you
site.
have to shoot him really quickly.
Yeah. But if you shoot him too soon, the skull stays on the roof.
All squads,
If you shoot him too late, the skull flies. There he is.
multiple contacts. Unknown.
There's the
There's
skull.
the-
Look at that, I did it.
First try.
There!
Wow.
We're surrounded.
Shock
Sergeant.
myself. There's the skull. Ta-da!
Uh,
And throw it away. And there's ammo and stuff here now. A little bit of my hammer left.
so we don't want this skull.
Fall back.
You still carrying the skull?
No, I was picking it up. I dropped it though.
Just kill everything! Marines included.
The hammer is really useful with this.
Yeah, kill the Marines, because when they get infected, it's even worse. Because then they are infected with guns.
If you punch them...
Marine?
No, punch them doesn't... Ow! You just killed me.
Sorry. Oh, I killed you?
Yeah. Smack me with a hammer.
I didn't mean to. Oh, there's so many.
Just blood purple.
I am an alien. Sorry, that was your corpse.
No,
Go. Wait.
Yeah, punching them does a lot. I remember correct. Hate the flood.
There's a shotgun here, isn't there? Yeah, there it is. You want to take shotgun?
Yeah.
It's there, isn't there? Oh, there's one here for me too.
Yoink!
Yeah, you can keep it.
So we got 2 left.
That's what I mean, you can keep it.
Thanks.
Oh wait, it's this way in here.
Oh yeah, there's like the guy that's getting changed. Should we help him or watch him? This is what... No!
What? What?
Watch him die. This is what happens to a Marine.
I want to watch him die. Oh, there you go. He's
That's what
down.
happens to you.
Could have won me.
That's what happens to you after. You get a leg. That's it.
Oh, there's a lot of them down there. Hi, friends. Thanks for anyone. So these big ones are brutes, and the slightly smaller ones are marines. Flood's so pathetic when you think about it. A single punch disintegrates.
Yeah.
Oh, pathetic? What are we then if we just died by those pathetic things? Ah.
Oh, we'll be right back. Come on, if you can't kill one of those little things, you're not worth it. Yeah.
I may have killed him.
Is he gonna change? Yes, he's gonna change, even though he's dead. I think.
Something trying to grow on his back.
Ow. Hey.
Yeah, keep coming through that door.
Oops.
I think you just punched or shot me.
I think I shot you in the back.
Throw a grenade, throw a grenade. Don't let the last one kill you. Right. It's not all of them. My guns poop. They've learned how to use guns.
There they have. New generator.
Yeah, sorry.
I swear a regenerator is an enemy in Resident Evil 4.
It does sound like it could be an enemy.
There's a shot. Oh, sorry.
Damn it!
It just picks up the ammo.
There's a shotgun, I'll walk over it. Smart move. Smart move.
Don't do it on purpose.
You make it very hard for me to believe you.
You stop walking in front of my shots. I keep shooting you. So the flood basically affected things.
Everything.
I don't even know where the flood originally came from. I know they're the reason the halos exist,
Yeah.
but yeah, the flood kind of suck.
Literally, and
Oh, you can have a flamethrower.
oh, don't I feel special?
Should.
I mean that I have to go in the front.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, if you haven't played Halo 1, Master Chief actually unleashes the flood all over again.
Yeah.
Chief, I can't tell you that it's not safe. The grave mind, it knows I'm moving up.
Thank you for that, Cortana.
Flashlights.
Ah, savior of the universe.
Can I punch this? Yeah.
There's more shotgun there.
Do you want it?
You might as well
Take the ammo.
There's more here as well. You want this ammo too?
No, I'm full.
Oh wait, that gun's empty. Okay.
Right, I'll lure them towards you. You can. Oh, there you go. Just flamethrower them. Whoop.
Now they're flaming punchy things.
Ah!
That's in front of it. Part of I take the point, so you understand. Okay. He jumped. He killed me. He jumped over the flamethrower. Don't let him kill you too.
Yeah,
Wait, you just took him.
just punch.
I gotta get my
Oh,
shotgun.
that's a crazy guy.
No, wait, I gotta get my shotgun back. Where is it? Where is it? It's here somewhere. It's just there. It is. Okay. Crazy guy.
Yeah.
I can see it crawling, sliding around beneath their skin.
Oh man.
Ah! Fire! Oh, that's funny. He died funny.
Please stand the shit. We're gonna be gone 5 minutes.
I know. And it's already misty and green.
Hail humans and take heed. This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent. Clear this sector while we deal with the flood.
Yay, our alien brethren.
Say hello to my moderately sized friends. Actually quite big, really.
Yeah, quite big.
They have fish faces.
Fish faces? I may have thrown a grenade down there.
Fish was the only thing I could think of.
Alright.
It's like, what do they look like? A fish.
Actually, that's probably the least thing they look like.
Yeah, no. But, you know, you put on the spot like that by yourself.
Nah.
That's all you can think of.
I could have sworn there was more flood than this.
The ones that just jumped in.
Yeah, yeah, there you go.
That's more like the number I was thinking.
That's more like it. Oh, there's a shotgun.
That would have a brute shot.
Yes. One up there has one too.
Oh, there's the explodey ones.
Stuck it.
And brute shot.
Basically, this explodey ones just let out loads of.
The little things that infect people.
Also, if you look at the human ones next time you see one, you'll see that their heads are slightly on their shoulders, like their heads come off. Like
It's
just
beautiful.
Where'd you get a sword from?
Floor.
Hmm.
One of the elites must have died and dropped it.
Yeah, see, go look at that guy. His head's like all.
He wasn't letting me look at him.
Him.
Trying to kill.
Him.
Trying to kill me. I'm gonna die. It's the last time I look at a human.
crap, there's a lot of them.
There we go. Sword. Ah! Shotgun.
You stop walking in front of me!
I was trying to find my shotgun and not get shot. Clearly that didn't work.
No. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Try and find a human one.
This is a human one. Yeah, it's kinda...
Yeah, his head's come off. It's like the thing.
Yep, definitely came off.
Ugh. Whoa!
Uh-oh. I think it landed on you.
Oh, we had both at the same reaction.
Kill it with fire.
What happened to your flamethrower?
Threw it away.
Oh.
Slow me down.
Grave mind. Likes to talk.
Oh no. Dead. It's not safe.
I know. Should have stayed in the bubble shield. Shouldn't listen.
Good one. What? Oh, that was in your thigh. One in your thigh and one in your lower back.
Where are we? Oh, we're only here.
Come on, fall in.
I'm gonna stick them all as they come through.
Shut this one's arms off and now he's running away. Oh, and then you've popped.
Really? Oh, I stuck him before I died.
He jumped at me when I stuck him.
He wanted a hug before he died.
Hold me.
Chief,
Dan,
the elites
I
are
may
looking
be
for
full,
something.
turn
We
into
didn't
blood,
believe
but I
you
want
when
a
you
hug.
told us.
No, don't
Got it,
stick
Chief.
me, no!
She's on that ship. Find her. Get her up.
He jumps at you and wants a hug, that's how it works.
Yeah, I can believe it.
Oh, not these ones. I remember these ones. They turn into giant ones. Yeah, I'm dead.
The elites. The elite ones.
It's not the elite ones you should worry about, it's those giant ones that can turn into other things.
They're the,
Dead, by the way.
they're the yeah, what are they called? Hunters.
I don't think they are, because he just turned into one.
Yeah, but don't forget the hunters are made up of like worms. That can change their shape and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no, those elite friends turned into aliens. That guy didn't, he just cowered behind a box and he was fine.
Good job, buddy. Taught you well.
There's one jumping at you. Ooh, sword!
They survived the sword. They survived the sword.
That is a deed to remember.
Hurry,
Oh,
demon.
there's the ship.
We seek the same prize.
I'm hurry. Oh, he said hurry, medic.
I'm hurrying. Actually, hurrying's probably a bad idea. It's those ones up there.
Yeah, they're
Shooty
turning
ones.
into things that can jump on the wall.
I think.
I'm about to die.
How many bullets do they take?
Oh, God, I don't see what's going on. I'm dead.
God, I've been shooting that thing for ages. It's not dying. There you go, I killed it.
There's another one left.
No, he
Another
turned
one.
into that one.
Where did my sword go? I think my sword fell off. There it is. Didn't fall anywhere.
Oh, one hit KOs them, does it?
I think so. I just managed to
Oh,
kill
one's
him.
got a sword coming after you. I'm dead.
What?
I got one hit killed by something. You got a lot of stuff chasing you.
Haha!
Stupid aliens.
Getting shot from the left. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you. Well, I'm not gonna try it.
I swung too early.
Uh oh. Uh oh.
Swing at him.
You tried it.
He's like,
Oh, he just spat out loads of little ones. It's disgusting. Oh no, it just woke him up.
he's like, ugh. Put him right back down.
I know it's not safe, but
I hate those guys. There you go. Should be safe now.
There you
Yay!
go. Here's your sword here.
What?
By me.
Uh-oh.
Look at down to me, what oh something.
Friends are armed. They can't dance and then they can't dance and then no friends of mine. Down we go! There's a gravity hammer. Remember that.
A fresh sword.
My one was fresher.
So fresh and so clean. So research.
Into the glowing hole!
Wait for me. Wait, what glow? Oh, up there. Wait, what?
Hurry up. Climb. Into the hole!
Why is it glowing?
I don't know.
Infinite Devil Machine.
That sounds like an album.
Like a 9-inch nail.
Oh, now he's talking.
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
That's nice.
Is it just me that Cortana's voice get a lot deeper?
She hit puberty as she was in here. That elite was white, and I knocked him down to you.
Oh, thanks. Some rib cages.
I think this ship has a bit of an infection problem. Oh, I remember. Ah. Look who it is!
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
Oh, go away.
Boop!
Chief.
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana!
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function, to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
Will it live, Oracle? Can it be saved?
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief.
Success!
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth, with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough. Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A flood army, a grave mother, has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the flood is already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution, and I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.